So you've heard of sales pipelines, but have you heard of service pipelines? And if the answer is no, you might want to, because now live in the HubSpot Service Hub is the ability to specify a ticket pipeline for your customer support surveys. Hey, you know what time it is. Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk. That's right. Specify a ticket support pipeline for your surveys. Look, now live is the ability to specify a ticket pipeline for customer support surveys inside of the HubSpot Service Hub. This is important because, look, you have a bunch of customers and you might have a reason that you want to get all of their feedback, but you might also want to be able to test a section of your company for the support that it is giving. Let me use HubSpot as an example. You see, HubSpot is a big company, and so they might have HubSpot partner support. They might have HubSpot Connect partner support. They might have sales support, service support, marketing support, even CMS. Yes, that's the platform that you could be building your website on. Support for that. And what if you only want to survey the folks who are getting the sales support or the marketing support before? Would that segmentation be easy? Probably not. Would it be a one button click and select a pipeline? Probably not. But today, because it's now live, it is yes. So how does it work? That might be the question. When setting up your survey, go to the Recipients tab, click the drop down list, and choose the pipeline you want to receive the survey that you have created. Yes, it's that simple. It's that easy. HubSpot is almost thinking about everything. Maybe not, because I still have wish list items. Anyway, who gets it? It's available to anybody who has the Service Hub Professional. If you're a HubSpot Service Professional user, you know who you are. You got this ability right now. It's in all languages for HubSpot. Look, do you like this type of content? Do you like the fact that we do updates, tutorials, and interviews? Well, let us know by going over to iTunes, leave a rating and review. Go to YouTube, hit that subscribe, hit the bell for instant notifications. Go over to our Facebook page and hit that like or share. And of course, make sure you go to sprockettalk.com/FB. That takes you right to our private, did I say private Facebook group where we talk about all things great and wonderful inside of Hublandia. Anyway, I'm your boy George B from Sprocket Talk, aka Impulse Creative, saying go out into the world, make sure you're doing surveys, use a pipeline to segment it, and while you're doing that, do some happy HubSpotting.